Intro to Bioluminescence, Nature's Dazzling Illumination. Title: Intro to Bioluminescence, Nature's Dazzling Illumination. Introduction. Bioluminescence is a captivating phenomenon that occurs in various organisms, enabling them to produce and emit light. It is a fascinating aspect of nature's diversity, and its evolution has resulted in a wide range of mesmerizing display tactics. In this article, we will delve into the world of bioluminescence, exploring its characteristics, mechanisms, and the creatures that possess this dazzling illumination. 1. Understanding bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is the process through which living organisms produce visible light without generating heat. It occurs across diverse taxonomic groups, including bacteria, fungi, protists, insects, marine creatures, and even some plants. This natural light show serves various functions, including attracting mates, deterring predators, luring prey, and communication between individuals. 2. The science behind bioluminescence. The production of bioluminescence relies on a simple biochemical reaction involving a luciferin molecule and an enzyme called luciferase. This reaction occurs within specialized cells called photocytes or photophores, which are equipped with the necessary components for light production. The luciferin molecule is oxidized by the luciferase enzyme, leading to the release of energy in the form of light. 3. Marine bioluminescence. The majority of bioluminescent organisms reside in the ocean, where they create a surreal underwater light display. Marine organisms such as dinoflagellates, jellyfish, and certain fish species possess bioluminescent capabilities. The mesmerizing glow can serve multiple purposes, including attracting mates during courtship, camouflaging with ambient light, and confusing or startling predators to escape. 4. Terrestrial bioluminescence. While marine bioluminescence is widely recognized, several terrestrial organisms also possess the ability to produce light. Fireflies, for instance, are well known for their glowing displays, which they utilize for mating rituals. Fungi, such as the jack-o'-lantern mushrooms, emit an eerie greenish light, likely serving as a lure for insects to aid in spore dispersal. Certain species of glowworms and centipedes exhibit bioluminescence as well. 5. Bioluminescent bacteria. Bioluminescent bacteria are widely distributed in aquatic environments, including both saltwater and freshwater habitats. Vibrio fischeri, for example, forms a symbiotic relationship with certain marine animals, residing in specialized organs and providing illumination to its host. Other bioluminescent bacteria are found in fish guts, contributing to their host's ability to camouflage and avoid predation. 6. Evolutionary significance. Bioluminescence has evolved independently numerous times, indicating its great significance in various ecological contexts. The evolutionary advantage of bioluminescence lies in its multifunctionality, increasing survival and reproductive success for organisms that possess this trait. It allows for effective communication, mate selection, defense mechanisms, and enhanced foraging abilities. 7. Biotechnological applications. Bioluminescence has found applications beyond the realm of pure science and into the field of technology. The discovery of luciferase enzymes, for example, has paved the way for their use in bioluminescent assays, providing researchers with a valuable tool to study cellular processes. Additionally, ongoing research into bioluminescent proteins has led to advancements in fields such as bioimaging, biosensors, and genetic engineering. Certainly. Continuing from the previous article. 8. Bioluminescence in deep-sea creatures. One of the most captivating aspects of bioluminescence is its presence in deep-sea creatures. In the darkest depths of the ocean, where sunlight does not penetrate, bioluminescent organisms thrive. Many deep-sea creatures, such as anglerfish and deep-sea squids, use bioluminescence to attract prey or lure potential mates. The mesmerizing light displays in these extreme environments are a testament to the adaptability and ingenuity of nature. 9. Bioluminescent algae. Certain species of algae also possess the ability to produce bioluminescence. Known as bioluminescent or glowing algae, these microscopic organisms emit light when disturbed. 10. Human applications and inspiration. Bioluminescence has not only fascinated scientists but has also inspired artists and innovators. The captivating beauty of bioluminescence has been harnessed in various ways, such as capturing the essence of it in art installations and creating artificial glowing materials. Additionally, researchers are exploring the possibility of using bioluminescence as an alternative source of light, potentially reducing energy consumption and environmental impact. 11. Protecting bioluminescent environments. As with any natural phenomenon, it is crucial to protect and preserve bioluminescent environments. Pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change pose significant threats to the delicate ecosystems where bioluminescent organisms thrive. Conservation efforts, including reducing pollution and creating marine protected areas, play a vital role in ensuring the continued existence of these extraordinary illuminations. 12. The future of bioluminescence research. There is still much to discover and understand about bioluminescence. Ongoing research aims to unravel the molecular mechanisms behind bioluminescence, uncover new species with bioluminescent abilities, and explore potential applications in medicine and industry. The world of bioluminescence holds endless possibilities for scientific breakthroughs and innovative solutions. Certainly. Please provide further instructions or let me know the specific topic you would like me to continue discussing. Certainly. Continuing from the previous article. 9. Bioluminescent organisms on land. While bioluminescence is often associated with marine organisms, there are also bioluminescent organisms that exist on land. Fireflies, for example, are well known for their ability to produce light through a chemical reaction. The light produced by fireflies is used for various purposes such as attracting mates or warning predators of their toxicity. 10. Bioluminescent plants. Believe it or not, there are even bioluminescent plants. Certain species of mushrooms, such as the ghost fungus, have the ability to emit a faint glow in the dark. This natural illumination adds an enchanting touch to forests and woodlands. 11. Bioluminescent bacteria. Bioluminescent bacteria are another fascinating group of organisms that possess the ability to emit light. One well-known example is the species Vibrio fischeri, which forms a mutualistic relationship with certain marine animals. The bacteria reside in specialized organs of these animals and provide them with light, while in return, they receive nutrients and protection. 12. Bioluminescent algae. Algae, which are simple aquatic plants, also include bioluminescent species. Dinoflagellates, a type of algae, are particularly famous for their bioluminescent displays known as red tides. These vibrant displays occur when large populations of dinoflagellates light up the waters, creating a mesmerizing spectacle.